Good morning, class 4. Last time we studied how a prince realized that he had to learn a lot to be a good king. He wanted to appoint advisors from village and towns. Let's proceed now, page number 29. So, children, as we know that the prince wanted to appoint some people from villages and towns as his advisors. He thought of that girl whom he met. So he wanted to appoint her as his advisor. So he wanted to test her that whether she is intelligent or not. Let's start the story. The prince ordered a soldier to carry to the girl a glass jar, one with an opening at the top, not much more than 1 inch across. You can see it clearly in the picture. Prince is holding a glass jar in his hand, and look at the top. The opening is just about 1 inch, right? Now the soldier's orders were to tell the maiden that the jar was from the prince and that she was to put an entire pumpkin inside the jar. She should not break the jar under any circumstance. Both the jar with the small opening at the top and the pumpkin must remain whole. Now the orders from the prince were that she has to put entire pumpkin inside the jar without breaking the jar. And pumpkin and the jar both has to remain whole. दोनों चीज़ें जार और pumpkin बिल्कुल ठीक होने चाहिए और पूरा का पूरा pumpkin उस jar के अंदर आ जाए. Got it? The girl returned a message to the prince that she was certain she could do what was asked, but that such a task might take some time. Now, the girl told that she was quite sure that she can do that particular work which was told to do, but it will take time. Task means a particular job, a particular kind of work. So she said she will do the task, but it will take time. Now, indeed, it was several months before the girl arrived at the palace. In her hand, she held the same jar and an entire pumpkin sat inside of it. You can see it in the picture that prince is holding a jar in his hand and there is a big pumpkin inside the jar. So the girl herself came to the palace with jar and pumpkin. पूरा का पूरा pumpkin उसने jar के अंदर रख दिया था. When the prince closely examined the jar, he confirmed that the jar was the same one that he had sent. It bore the royal emblem. What's more, he saw that both the jar and the pumpkin were completely undamaged. Now, prince closely examined the jar means he checked the jar properly. अच्छे से उसने jar को देखा, उसको check किया. And he confirmed that it was the same jar which he sent because there was royal emblem on it. Emblem means a symbol which represents that a particular thing belongs to a person or belongs to a group. Now royal emblem means जो राजशाही मोहर होती है वो जो वहाँ पर उनके अपने राज्य की मोहर थी वो उसके ऊपर लगी हुई थी. Now both the things, the jar and the pumpkin were completely undamaged means दोनों के दोनों बिल्कुल ठीक थे, उन्हें कोई भी नुकसान नहीं हुआ था. Nobody could figure out how she had done this. The girl revealed that she had placed a pumpkin bud, one that was still attached to a vine, in the ground, inside the jar through its small opening. Now, nobody could make out, nobody could come to know, or nobody could understand how she had done this. So, she herself told, revealed means that she told, she explained that she had placed a pumpkin bud. बड इज अनओपन्ड फ्लावर जो कली होती है. कली बाद में इसी का फ्रूट वेजिटेबल बनता है. तो उसने बड पम्पकिन बड को वाइन से जो अटैच थी जो ऑलरेडी एक बेल के साथ में जुड़ी हुई थी उसको इस जार के मुंह में डाल दिया. शी प्लेस्ड अ पम्पकिन बड इनसाइड the glass jar through its small opening and that bud was still attached to the vine so that it may get food and water for proper growth. Over time, the pumpkin bud grew into a full-sized pumpkin. Now, Slowly, what happened? The bud grew into a full-sized pumpkin, as you can see in the picture also. When the pumpkin filled the jar, she simply cut off the stem and delivered the jar with the pumpkin to the palace. And now when pumpkin filled the jar means when the bud had grown into a complete pumpkin, she just cut off the stem and she brought the jar to the palace. The prince was convinced. The prince was satisfied. Convinced means satisfied. He immediately asked the girl to be his first advisor when he became king. Now, prince has already decided he wanted to choose some advisor from villages and town. So when he came to know that girl has passed the test and she is actually intelligent and wise, so he immediately declared her his advisor, and the girl also accepted that. The girl accepted. When the prince was crowned king, the people rejoiced, and his father was sure that the kingdom was in safe hands. Now, when the prince was crowned king means when the prince became king of that kingdom, the people celebrated, they rejoiced, they were very happy, and father means the king was sure that the kingdom was in safe hands. अब जो राजा था मीन्स प्रिंस के फादर, ही वॉज श्योर दैट किंगडम वॉज इन सेफ हैंड, मीन्स किंगडम अब सही हाथों में है, मीन्स ही वॉज श्योर नाउ दैट हिज सन इज गोइंग टू बी अ गुड किंग. Sure enough, the king, with the help of his advisor, looked after the country for many years. So now the king means prince who became king, and advisor means the girl. They both looked after the country, they both looked after the kingdom for many years, and everything was good over there. So this all was about the pumpkin test. So kindly read the chapter again, and please mark hard words in your book, or you can note down the hard words and learn spellings, because soon I will be taking your English dictation of this particular chapter. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.